Hi guys. Well, today is day 2 in Hawaii, Waikiki Beach, and we are getting ready to enjoy another day.
Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and the subscribe button is right there.
Okay, we are getting ready to go out for another day. I just have to do my makeup. I did my hair already.
And I need to get my makeup done too.
She's all done up. She's gotten dressed, washed her face, but she doesn't brush her teeth. That's next. So here you go. Go ahead and vlog while I go ahead and get my makeup on.
Okay. So guys, let me give you another tour first I'm gonna give you a tour of the beautiful outside. Of course you need a tour about the outside, so.
What we did yesterday.
This is the outside. Oh yeah. Yesterday we did we just did some, we
flew in yesterday. Oh,
yeah,
where's the vlog?
yesterday.
So we flew in yesterday around like 12:30 Hawaiian time. So probably like 2 o'clock California time. So we flew in, we got situated in our room, picked up a rental car, did a little sightseeing, and we went out to dinner. We walked around.
Yeah,
we walked around the it's almost like a Hawaiian strip. They got all the shops and stuff. Yes, I got all that in my bag. Can I vlog to the vloggers? Okay, so we did actually come across the beach. Well, of course we did, right? We're in Hawaii. So we did actually stop at the beach a little bit last night, but it was dark. But we did play in the sand a little bit, play in the water, the waves. It was really nice. Had dinner, came back to the hotel, ate dinner, and then we rested. And here we are on our first full day in Hawaii. And I don't really know what the plans are for today. I'm just getting dressed. So we'll see what we're gonna do today. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Not the next video, but stay tuned because I don't know what we're doing today, but we're gonna be doing something. Obviously, we're in Hawaii. We hope that we're gonna hit the beach, but we don't know which beach, what beach, or what we're gonna do there. My hair is. My curl's going out already.
No.
Okay, I need to touch up my hair, but. Okay, well, stay tuned as we adventure in Hawaii. Okay.
So this is the vlog. Oh, we are on day number 2. Breakfast is over. I got my hat on. No, not my hat. So we just need to pour some things in. Mom's taking some selfies. Well, she's not taking selfies. She's taking pictures. I don't know what we're going to do today, but I only know we're going to...
I have a mask.
I don't know. I'm just going to have to wear my pink mask. So, okay, let's go. Guys, you can see me, right? I'm putting my mask on.
I only brought one. I only brought that one out.
It's just like Corona messed up everything. Corona messed up too much. Corona messed up too much.
Oh, we have October's backpack.
See you in 12 months. I'm just kidding, not 12 months. But see you in well, stay tuned, but not to the next video. Stay tuned watching this. I hope you like it. Subscribe right here. Subscribe right there. And give a like. It's like. It starts with the B and with the E. Okay? The red button. Okay? Subscribe. Bye. Well, not bye, but it was just
So we're just taking a little bit of a walk again, walking around, checking out Hawaii in the daylight, and we're stopping to grab us a little refresher because it's very warm here today.
And like we got some ice cream, so we're at the ice cream place. And I got vanilla with spring. I don't know what mommy got. And we have a new person in the family. Her name is Chili. Hi guys, my name's Chili, and
She can't wait to dive into the ocean.
yeah, I've never been there before. I'm just a little girl.
You've never been there before?
No, I haven't.
That's okay. Here we come. We're gonna go to the ocean today.
Hey, Chili, we're gonna go to the ocean today.
Something smells so good.
Yay! I can't believe I get to see the ocean. Wait, what's the beach?
Yummy.
She's not pineapple. Oh, we can't wait to try it. Wait, Chili.
Yeah, you go. Yay.
I'm gonna go get my
Did you see that? Did you see that?
It's a crab.
There's a crab.
I'm
That's what I saw over there.
I'm scared.
That's a crab, not a spider. And look, there's little fishies in there. Little tadpole, little fishy. You see them moving? There's another baby crab right there.
I want to go.
Oh, he's about to move. He's about to go.
Why are you scared of the crab?
It does look scary. There's another one over there. The camera is this. I was like, oh, I'm talking about another one. Over there. Yeah, you don't want to go in there. Look, there's another one right. Oh, look at that baby one there. That's a baby one right there. On that rock. You see the fishies in there? There's a lot of baby fish in there. There's different kinds. I can see different kinds of fish in there. We're going. Look at that. Why?
Because like I think things are like crabs and stuff like that.
You saw some crabs?
Well, at first I couldn't see the first crab, but I don't.
Hey guys. So last night we went to the beach to see the sunset. So it's kind of dark. We couldn't really vlog very much. And today we're doing a Jurassic Park tour. What that was called? Jurassic Park tour. Hollywood tour. We're here at Kalalo Ranch. That's it.